Hello students, welcome to my math class. My name is Chandan Ghosh and I'm excited to embark on this mathematical journey with you. This class is meant to make math accessible, engaging and fun for the secondary students. Whether you are struggling with concepts or you want to deepen your understanding, I think this class will help you. Today we'll be discussing one of the most important geometric steps. It's called circle. Have you ever wondered why circles are everywhere? From the wheel of a car to the design of a clock. Circle plays a vital role in our daily lives. So what exactly the circle is? Circle is a set of points on a plane which are equidistant from a central point which is called center. This is the center. And these are the points on the circle. So let's go over some of the important topics of a circle. We'll start with radius. So radius is basically the distance between the center and any point on the circle is called radius, which is denoted as r. The second properties of the circle that we'll go over is diameter. So diameter is basically the longest distance across the circle. So this is the center and the line connecting this center. Let's say AB. So this is the diameter, and diameter is 2 times the radius. Next, we'll go over the circumference. What is circumference? I often, when I interact with students, whenever I ask what this circumference is, the answer that I give is 2 pi r. Exactly, it's 2 pi r. But have you ever thought of why it's 2 pi r? And most importantly, what exactly this pi is? In today's class, I just want to make you visualize what exactly pi. And one thing I must tell you, I just have forgot. Whenever I ask my students what exactly this pi is, the answer which I give, they say it's 3.14. That's exactly correct. The value is 3.14. But why is 3.14? In today's class, we'll try to find that answer. Let me just clear this board a bit. So pi is basically it's a Greek letter which is denoted as this, and it's a ratio of circumference of a circle and diameter. So this is circumference upon diameter. Now we'll check how come this value comes 3.14. So in order to prove this, what I've taken 2 threads, one bit longer length. I will just measure it. This is the scale I already have put over here. So it comes roughly 21 centimeter. So I'll just note it over here. This is 21 centimeter. That's the length of this thread. Now I will use this thread and give it a shape of a circle. So I've taken a circular object and you just see it exactly forms this circle. It just forms this circle. So what we can say? So this length which makes the circumference of the circle. I'll draw this circle over here. Okay. So the center would be somewhere here. Now I have taken a scale as well. I'll measure the diameter of this circle, which comes around 6 point, I think 6.7. I'll make a note of this. So the circumference, which is the length of the thread, which is 21 centimeter, and the diameter comes 6.7 centimeter. Now, if you just simply take this ratio 21 by 6.7, you will get approximately 3.14. Another tip I have taken, it's bit shorter length. I will take the length of this, which comes nearly, yeah, it's 15 centimeter. So case number 1, case number 2. So it's 15 centimeter, which is the length of the thread. I've taken a different circular object, and with this thread, I will just cover this up. See, just covered. Now, so this length makes this circle. I'll draw this circle here. Yes. The center is somewhere here. I'll measure the diameter, which is roughly 4.8 centimeter. So T becomes 4.8 centimeter. If you take a ratio again, it will become, so 15 by 4.8, which is near about 3.14. So what we can conclude, regardless of the size of the circle, this ratio remain unchanged. You can try at your home as well. You can make a bigger circle. Just get the circumference. You can easily calculate diameter and get this ratio. So regardless of the size of the circle, this ratio remain unchanged. That is the pi. Okay. So this pi is basically, it's a universal constant. So you've got to know how this pi is derived. The fourth properties of the circle, I will get into that. The area of the circle. So what is the area of the circle? It's pi r square, unit square. But have you ever thought of why this is pi r square? How this is derived? Okay, let me just, I'll just try to make you visualize that as well. I'm drawing a circle here. So this is the center. What I'll do, I'll just, split it into 4 equal-sized pieces, 4 slices. I'll name them as A, B, C, and D. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to, derive the area of this particular circle. So this 4 quadrant, let me give them a shape. So this comes like, I think this. Yeah. So this is A, this is B, and this is radius. Is basically this is radius. All this radius. So this is radius, and this portion is C and D. So if you take this circumference, this portion, the entire circumference of this circle is 2 pi r. So half circle it would be by 2, which is pi r. Yes? So this perimeter becomes pi r. Likewise, this is also pi r and this is r. Okay. Next, I'll split it even further. I will slice it further. So what I'll do, I instead of 4, I'll make it 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So I'll name it as 1, 2, 3. Let's say start it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This perimeter again makes. So basically, it is the semicircle. So it is pi r. Again, this portion is pi r, and this is the radius. If you keep splitting, let's say next, if you want to split it even further into 16 equal pieces or 32 equal pieces, 64, eventually the number of this size gonna down, so eventually it will become like this. So it will form like this, then eventually it will form a rectangle. So what we have seen here, this portion, so pi r, and this is the radius. And what is the area of a rectangle? We know base multiplied by length with breadth, or base multiplied by this height, you can say. So which is pi r into r square unit, which is pi r square unit. So we got to know how this area is pi r square. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned. In our next class, we'll discuss another topic, which is trigonometric functions and its practical application. Thank you.